Hi everybody, and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts. So today's craft is going to be a craft, and it's going to be a game. Interesting. So first of all, in your craft kits, you're going to get string, you're going to get a stick. What are you going to use a stick for? You're going to get a paper with fish on it, and you're going to get some eyes for your fish, and you're going to get a big piece of, well, you're going to get a piece of pipe cleaner. So you're going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again, and then with special wire cutters, don't use your mom's good scissors or your dad's good scissors, you're going to cut it into 4 pieces. So what we're going to do is, you're going to get a paper clip too. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you have a hole punch at home, you're going to punch a hole into your fish, and you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to make a loop. Okay, and so there is a loop for your fish. So it can stand up, but it can also lay down. So you're going to take one of your eyeballs, and actually, if you want to, you can color your fish first. Okay? So we're going to take the eye, and we're going to put it wherever we like. So this fish is going to be looking like this. Now you're going to get a piece of your string that you're going to use. You are going to, first of all, let's see, I'm going to give you guys about this long of string, so it's going to be this long. So what you're going to do is, you're going to take the stick, and either you are going to tie it on, or you can get mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, older big brother or sister, or yourself, and you're going to tie the string onto your stick. Do you know what you're making yet? So on the other end of your string, you're going to tie on the paper clip that we give you. So you have to tie it on pretty good. So it's going to be a hook. What do you think we're playing with now? So I have a paper clip on a string, and I have a fish. So let's see if I can hook the fish. Okay, so let's see. So here's my paper clip, and I got my fish! So you can actually make a game out of this. So you can have it that you have a different colored fish. So you can have someone say, I want you to catch the red fish. So you're going to have all 4 fish with your pipe cleaners and your eyes, and if you color them different ways, you can see how many red fish you catch, or blue fish, or yellow fish, or blue fish. I think they have a book about that from Dr. Seuss. So I hope that you will enjoy your game, and we'll see you soon. And I guess on Cozy Corner crafts, or cozy corner, we might be doing some books about fish, about catching fish. We'll see you guys soon, and I hope you enjoy your craft and your game. I hope you enjoy it. Bye, everybody.